Hey guys, this is ArtSea, and today I'm going to be teaching you one of my favorite beginner tricks called the basic twirl. I suggest every beginner learns this. This is actually a redo of my other tutorial. I did it a long time ago and I want to improve on it by using better knives and teaching better. Also, I'm going to be doing a left-handed tutorial at the end of this video, so if you're left-handed, just skip to the end and I'll help you. I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow, so here is fast. Okay, so in order to do the basic twirl, you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle. And that's the one without the latch. This doesn't have a latch, so the best way to remember it is the bite handle, the blade, and the handle. You'll get cut if you put your finger right there. The safe handle is safe. You can put the back of the blade to it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have the knife out like this, facing you. And you're going to have your whole hand like this. So 4 fingers there and your thumb out. Okay, so now you're going to hold the knife like this and you're going to swing out like that. So in order to do that, you're going to take this finger, this index finger, and put it here in between the back of the blade and the safe handle and flick out. Okay, so I'll do that again. You take the knife, and as you flick out, so as you flick the handle out, you're putting your index finger right there because it's going to prepare you for the next step. Okay, so to do it fast, it looks like this. Okay, so once you're in this position, you're going to have your thumb on top with your index finger and your 3 other fingers on the bottom. Okay. So you're going to be flicking the back, this is the back of the blade, onto your index finger right there. So the first step is flicking it out. The second step is flicking it back, and it's going to be hitting your index finger right here, back of the blade, safe handle. And here's the hardest part. Okay, so you're going to take all other fingers out except your index finger and your middle finger. Okay, so once you have it like this, you're going to take your thumb and you're going to go under the knife and you're going to pivot the knife like this. And this is where it gets tricky. You're going to pivot the knife, and you see how it's like pointing down? And you're going to have it down like this. So now you're holding the knife like this with your index finger here, your thumb here, and your middle finger here. And you're going to flick up. So once the knife's down like that, the blade is like this with the blade facing here, and this is the bite handle, you flick up. And it will end in this position, the trick. Okay, I'll go through that one more time. So you're going to flick out like that, have your index finger out. Then you're going to flick it back onto your index finger. Then you're going to take your thumb out, and you're going to pivot the knife with your middle finger. You see how my middle finger's pivoting the knife? Okay, and then I'm going to put my thumb underneath. I'm going to go down like that, and I'm going to have these 3 fingers on the knife, and then I'm going to go up. And there you go, that's the trick. So the trick looks like this. In order to close the knife once you're in this position, you can do it all over again, the whole trick. So you're just going to go backwards. You're going to go down again. You're going to have your 3 fingers here. You're going to pivot with your middle finger. Go up. So see how the middle finger is pivoting? And you're going up again. And then you're going to go out. So you're taking your index finger out. And then you're going back over. And make sure to move all your fingers out of the way so it doesn't go like that. You want it to go up. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to show you a left-handed tutorial. I haven't done too many of these. So what you're going to do is you're going to flick the knife out like this. And you're going to be coming around like this. You're going to switch your index finger into the knife like this. It's going to go between the safe handle and the blade. You're flicking it back over. So what you're basically doing is you're going out and moving your index finger while you're doing it. So don't just go out, because then your index finger is stuck in here. So you want to go out and move your index finger right here. Go back like this. And then you want to pivot the knife using your middle finger. So you're using your middle finger to push the safe handle into a position like this. Then you're going to get your thumb and help out the middle finger. Put your thumb there and you're twirling the knife down like that. So the knife will be facing down and then you're going to flick up. So you want to move all your fingers out of the way to flick up. So you don't want your thumb to be there. And then you flick up because look, it's going to hurt your nail, which I just did. And yeah, so you want that to happen. So you're going to go out and have your index finger out like that. You're going to go back like that. It doesn't matter if the handle is touching, the back of the handle is touching your finger. And then you're going to do this pivot motion with your middle finger. Put your thumb there, flick down, bring your thumb out of the way, flick up. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them. Also, you can look at my Instagram. My Instagram is right here. If you DM me, I will definitely answer you, and I'll get back to you within 3 days.